students. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home, right? Yes. So eat healthy and stay healthy. How was the last class? Is it easy? I hope it was easy. Okay, children. Before going to today's class, let us do one activity. Shall we do now? Yes. All know flower clap, right? How we will do? Like this. Okay. It is also called a zero clap. Okay. So shall we do together? 1, 2, 0 clap. Yes. We can go to today's class.
So we have our ICT class today, isn't it, children? So what is the lesson name? Uses of computers. Okay. So next, before moving to today's concept, we are going to recall the concept which we learnt last week. Okay. So first, what we have learnt, what is a mission? What is a mission? Have you all remembered, children? So mission is nothing but it is a man-made thing. Okay, why we invented mission? To do work very easier with that missions. Okay, next what we learnt, computer as a mission. As we have washing machine, fridge and everything in our home, like that computer also a machine which is used to do some functions. Okay, next what we learnt, various uses of computers. What are the various uses of computers? You can able to draw, listen to music, and you can add numbers, and you can play games what you want, and you can watch movies in that. And next we can write letters by using the computers. Okay, the first one is, what is that name? Desktop computer. Next one is laptop. So these are all the things we learnt last week, isn't it, children? Yes. So we have our learning objective, what we are going to learn in this lesson. So we are going to learn places where computer can be used and things which computer cannot do. Okay, so first, places where computer can be used. So now we are going to learn what are in which places and all computer will be using. Okay, so first we have a bank, library, railway station, school, airport, hospital. So these are all the places where computer can be used. Okay, so we are going to briefly see how computers are helpful in these places. Okay, children. So first we have bank. So we all know how the bank will be. Okay, next, so many people use a bank to keep their money safe. Okay, next, why computer is using there? So they have to store the more number of people's information. That's why they are using computers there. Okay, and then when your parents want money to buy something, they can go to bank and the clerk checks whether this person is a correct person who is having the account here. Okay, then he can say how much of amount you are having in your account. Okay, then the clerk gives the money to your parents. Okay, in this way computer is used in bank. Okay, children. Next, library. So this is a picture of library. So how in library the computer is using, a library stores many books. Likewise, bank, how it stores the details of many people's account and having their money transaction and all. Like that, library also stores many books. Okay, so searching for your favorite book can take a lot of time. That's why what they will do, they will store the details of the books, okay, in the computer, and exact location where it is there. Okay, by checking that you can able to take your book easily. Okay, so the library uses a computer to store a list of books and their location. When you want to borrow a book, the librarian can check the computer to see if it is available. Okay, then he can tell you where to find. He also use the computer to issue the book to you. Okay, so likewise the computer is using in library. Okay, next we have railway station. In while going native and all, you can able to see in the ticket counter there will be computers, okay, in railway station. Why they are using computers there? Railways use the computer to book tickets. Before and all, in earlier days and all, we have to go to the railway station and we have to wait for some time, and they will book the ticket, okay. But nowadays computer make the work very easy, okay. Railways use computers to book the tickets. They also use them to maintain train timings, okay. There will be many train will be moving by that way. To store that details and all, they will use the computer, okay. When you go with your parents to book tickets, the clerk uses the computer whether the seats are available, okay. Then he takes the money and issue your tickets, okay children. Next, school. You can able to see in our school itself, okay. In school, for teaching they are using computers, okay. So computers are used in schools for teaching. Students learn computer skills at the school, okay. We are using computers for learning. Next, airport. In same as railway station, in airport also they are using computers. Why? Because to giving information about ticket reservation and bookings, okay. It help in record all records of all the passengers. Like railway station, airport also use the computer for the same purpose, for booking tickets and also store the details of the passengers, okay children. Next, hospital. In hospital, why we are using computers? Yes, why we are using computers? Same as airport and railway station, they will store the details of the passengers. Here also computers help in keeping the records of all the patients in the hospital, okay. So they can help in doing number of medical tests also, okay. So to take some any test for your grandmother or anything else, they also help in that too, okay. So next, so far we have learnt places where computer can be used, okay. Now we are going to see things which computer cannot do, okay. So all the things that computer will not do, okay. Here also some criteria which that computer cannot do. Shall we see it to the children? Yes, first we are seeing the fridge, isn't it? You can use a fridge to keep food items. Can a computer be used like a fridge? No, it cannot be used like that, okay. Next, you can able to see the juicer, isn't it? So you can make fresh fruit juice in your mixer. Can your computer be used like a mixer? No, it cannot, okay. There are certain things that computer will do, and there are many things that computer cannot do. It may be having some difference, okay. Shall we move to the next? Next, you can able to see the washing machine, isn't it? So you can wash clothes in your washing machine. Can a computer can be used like a washing machine? No, it cannot, okay. So these are all the certain things that computer cannot do, okay children. Have you all clear about the concepts? Yes. So next, vocabulary words. So first we have bank. What is the spelling? BANK, okay. Next, school. SCHOOL. Next one we have library. LIBRARY. Next we have airport. AIRPORT. Next we have railway station. RAILWAYSTATION. Station, railway station. Next we have hospital. HOSPITAL. Hospital, okay children. Next, yeah, there is a small activity I have given for you. These words, it was somewhat changed. You have to find out the correct words, okay. So totally I have given 5 words, okay children. So read and practice the vocabulary words in your notebook, okay. And with the help of the vocabulary words, you can find out the answers very easily, okay children. So at last, what we have learned from this lesson? So where the computers can be used, okay, and things which computer cannot do. So these are all the things we have learnt so far. Okay children, so next week we can see a different topic. Okay children, until take care. Thank you my dear students.